Illegal? Illegal? Oh, this is interesting. Very interesting. So, says here, this is spreading like wildfire. I see several columns are picking this up. This is straight out of Men's Journal here. It says, is your Netflix bill illegal? Why a foreign court just ruled against price hikes. An Italian court ruled certain Netflix price hikes illegal. Here is a clear breakdown of the decision and what it means for American customers. Because I was thinking to myself, well, if it's Italy, okay, well, I guess that don't concern me in no form or fashion. But this was the one particular article that was like, what this means for Americans. I was like, uh-oh. Does that mean we might be getting some type of refund? So, it says here, an Italian court ruled that several years of Netflix's price increases in that country were illegal. The decision comes at a time when American subscribers are already frustrated with their own recent price hikes. Here is what the court ruled and what it means for American subscribers. In April 2026, Euronews reported on a legal ruling that had gone against Netflix Italia. The Court of Rome upheld an injunction against the company over unilateral price increases following an action brought by the consumer group Movimento Consumatori. The judge determined that clauses in the Netflix's user agreement between 2017 and January 2024 in the court were unfair and abusive. According to the ruling, the agreement lacked a reason to justify raising how much they charge, which it deemed renders those clauses null and void. The court specifically found that price increases made in 2017, 2019, 2021, and 2024 violated Italy's consumer code for that reason. Interesting. Euronews report on the news revealed that Netflix immediately released a statement defending its price increases and pledging to appeal the ruling. We will appeal this decision. At Netflix, our subscribers come first. We take consumers' rights very seriously, and we believe that our conditions have always been in line with Italian regulations and practices. If the company loses its appeal, it could be required to issue refunds to affected Italian customers. In that case, subscribers of the premium plan throughout the relevant time period would be owed roughly, I think that's euros, 500 euros, while standard plan users will receive roughly a 250 euro refund. What this means for Americans. I've got this ad playing like this, like right in front of my face, and I can't see even where to exit out. Anyway, Netflix's recent price increases in America angered many of its customers. While some might hope for a similar outcome as what happened in Italy, here we go. To happen here, laws in the United States make that highly unlikely. In fact, the Italian ruling could play a small role in pushing Netflix to raise prices for Americans in the future. Oh, God. A 2025 legal paper written for a Virginia state bar writing competition detailed that under U.S. law, companies can make unilateral changes to user agreements. The main requirements to do so are that the original contract allows it and that customers receive reasonable notice before the changes take effect. Setting aside a few outliers, courts have articulated that substantial unilateral contract alterations are permissible as long as some form of notification is provided. Yeah, we usually get an email. I get so many emails about different like I got a bunch of credit cards, and it's like, oh, your agreement's changing, your terms are changing, your terms are changing. For everything. Every damn website that I belong to, just everything. Anyway, in Asmus versus Pacific Bell, the Supreme Court of California weighed in on unilateral modification, taking the stance that it would be permitted so long as reasonable notice was given. Let's see. There's more. Netflix's user agreement, which every American subscriber must accept, contains the following verbiage that allows the company to raise prices and details how much notice they have to provide. Quote, we may change our subscription plans and the price of our services from time to time. We will notify you at least 1 month before any price changes are to occur. Yeah. So because of that clause and the advance notice Netflix provided customers with, the recent price increases in America are almost certainly allowed. Therefore, the Italian court ruling should have no legal effect on the company's customers in the United States. It is possible that the recent ruling could influence Netflix's future pricing decisions in America if the company loses its appeal in Italy and its profits decrease. It may seek to make up the difference elsewhere. That could push it to consider charging Americans more than it otherwise might. Still, that's effed up too. That is effed up if that happens. It is what it is. It's in the jargon. We agreed to it. I mean, it doesn't bother me that much. It's not like I don't know. You know, like I think it would be ridiculous to pay $50 a month for Netflix, you know. And for me, you know, like I said, as a businessman, I run a business here. It's a business write-off. You know, any subscription plan that I have, movie tickets, anything I use to where I review something or do a reaction, that's write-off for me. So it's a little bit different for me, but I get it with people that are just regular folks just trying to watch some good damn TV. And with today's economy, things being volatile and things being the way they are, I mean, I get people's frustration. But it is what it is. You got to read the fine print. Post comments down below. Let me know what you all think about this situation. If you enjoyed my thoughts and commentary, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers.